What is Spring Boot? Spring Boot is a game-changing Java framework for developing web apps, REST APIs, and microservices without all the hassle. Gone are the days of tedious XML configurations. With features like auto-configuration, embedded servers, and Marchan starter dependencies, you can accelerate your development like never before. How it works. 1. Launch your app. Just a simple add Spring Boot application annotation and your app is running. 2. Smart scanning. Automatically identifies your project components like @controller and @service. 3. Dependency injection. Say goodbye to manual object creation. Spring injects what you need. 4. Built-in web server. No separate server config needed. Get started with an embedded server like Tomcat. 5. Streamlined request flow. Easily manage interactions from client requests down to database queries. Pro tip: need to see it in action? Just set up a simple controller and hit HTTP was local host 8080 hello to get your Hello Spring Boot message. Why choose Spring Boot? Faster development. Easy integration. Ready for production. Microservices. Ready. Spring Boot is your co-pilot in coding. You focus on the logic while it handles the heavy lifting. Spring Boot. Our Java development. Web tech. Coding magic.